Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how teacher can delete class on Google Classroom using mobile or computer, and how teacher can remove the students from the Google Classroom. The Google Classroom is a good platform to create an assignment and quiz and Google Meet. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Now I would like to show you how to remove and delete the class from the Google Classroom. Just go to Google Classroom in your mobile. So this is my Google Classroom, as you see. So there are different kind of classes is available, 12th A and 1st BCom, 1st BSc Viscom, and class demo is totally we have 4 class. I just click 1st BSc Viscom. So here I would like to see the people, those who are there in my class. Once you click in the downside, you can have stream, classwork and people. Once you click the people, there are different kind of people, students who there in the classroom will be available. In top we'll have teachers. So myself, the teacher is here, and students, there are 3 students is available in my class. So I would like to remove the students from the Google Classroom. Once I see, for example, Martin Joseph, I don't want the student, I just click the 3 dots. It will ask you email to the students. You can send the particular student's email and you can mute the notification from the comments from the students. We cannot able to receive. Once you click the mute, if you want to remove the students from your class, just hit the button remove. So Martin Joseph, remove. Automatically it will remove from the Google Classroom. Yes, the students is removed from this class. So this is a easy step. You can remove the students from the Google Classroom. So now I would like to show you how to delete the class from the Google Classroom. So have you find there are 4 classes in my Google Classroom. I would like to delete some of the classes. So with the students I would like to delete. So just hit the button in the 3 dots. So imagine the first BSc Viscom, I would like to delete the class. So in this, the 3 dots is available in your right hand side corner. Just hit the button. It will ask you share, invite link, edit and archiving. So just hit the button archive. So archive the class. So you and your students won't be able to make the changes. Just click archive. So automatically that classroom will archive. So that classroom will be archived. Just hit the 3 dots in the right hand side corner. You will find archived classes. Just hit the button archive classes. So it will store in the different place. So now the 3 dots, the same thing. Right hand side corner you will find the 3 dots. You can restore. Once you click the restore option, automatically your class will be restored. For example, if you are going to the classes, automatically your class will be reached here. So that is called for a restore. Now again click archiving option. Now I would like to delete the class. Overall I want to delete the class. So once you click the archive, automatically the class will go to the archived class. So once you see the archived class, click here. Restore means automatically the class will be restored. And if you don't want the class, means just hit the button delete. Automatically your Google Classroom, the class will be removed from your classroom. So this is an easy step for the mobile. Now I would like to show you how to delete Google Classroom from laptop or desktop. Just log in your Gmail account and click the right hand side corner Google application and select Classroom. So it will direct you to the Google Classroom. So in this login, I have one class is available. I just click the class. I can able to see the class, and I can able to see the classworks and people and grades. Everything will be available my laptop, desktop. So once I click the classes, automatically how many classes there in my Google Classroom will be displayed here. The same procedure what we did in the mobile, the same thing also here available, the 3 dots. Once you click the 3 dots, it will ask you copy, invite link, edit and copy and archive. Just to click the archive. So automatically your class will be moved into the archive folder. So where is the archive folder? Click the 3 menu So option, it'll direct you to the classes calendar and archived classes. Just hit the button archived classes. So this is archived classes. Once you click the right hand side corner, you will find a copy, restore and delete. So restore means you can restore the classes, otherwise you can delete the classes. So if you complete your class, if you want to delete your Google Classroom, this step will be useful for you to create and assign the students assignment. Otherwise you can delete the classes. Hope this tutorial will help you to delete and remove the class from the Google Classroom. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.